Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Wok with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. I was very excited when I first learned that KitchenAid recently has released a stainless steel wok with 5-ply construction. It is a 15-inch wok and the price is $129 on Amazon. This is the only 5-ply wok that I know of other than one produced by cladded, which is twice as much as this wok. So I ordered one immediately because I love stainless steel wok. I truly believe that stainless steel wok is going to be the wok of the future in replacing carbon steel or cast iron woks. My everyday wok is a Cuisinart 14-inch stainless steel wok. Once you learn the property of this wok and how to season it, it works extremely well. And the greatest advantage of this wok is that it is very flexible. You can use it for many different types of cooking functions. And you can take a look at this video to get some more detail about this wok. So after I received this KitchenAid 15-inch stainless steel wok, I could not wait to give it a test. When I got it out of the box, I am very impressed by the construction of the wok. A 5-ply construction means that there are 5 different layers to the wok. There are 2 layers of aluminum sandwiched between 3 layers of stainless steel. Now, a stainless steel is a poor metal for heat conduction. However, stainless steel is desirable because of its appearance as well as its ease of maintenance. So to improve its heat conductivity and transfer property, one way is by encapsulating aluminum in the middle of the stainless steel. Because aluminum is excellent for heat transfer and conduction. This type of cookware is known as multi-clap cookware. The most famous example is a cookware manufacturer known as cladded. Most stainless steel wok on the market right now are known as tri-clap. That means you have 1 layer of aluminum encapsulated between 2 layers of stainless steel. This provides much better heat transferability for stainless steel cookware. To further improve the heat transmission of stainless steel cookware is by encapsulating another layer of aluminum. And this is the result of formation of the 5-clap stainless steel wok. However, all 5-clap cookware are very expensive. And for most of the purpose in stir frying, I don't think it worth the price. And now on the market, there are 2 popular 13-inch stainless steel wok with tri-clap. One of these wok is manufactured by a company known as Cook Standard. It is a 13-inch wok and it comes with a stainless steel dome cover. And it is about $70. Another very similar wok is manufactured by a company known as Willow and Everett. It also comes with a stainless steel dome cover at around the same price range. The wok that is my everyday wok is a Cuisinart 14-inch stainless steel wok, and it comes with a tempered glass cover. It is only multi-clap at the bottom of the wok. The side of the wok is a single layer of stainless steel. Consequently, it is cheaper at around $40. So after UPS delivered the wok, I opened the box immediately. It comes in 2 boxes together. It is very well packaged with an outer box and an inner box. When I took the wok out of the box, I was very impressed. It definitely is a very beautiful piece of cooking utensil. The wok is almost like a bowl because the wok has a continuing curvature, so you can consider it to be a round bottom wok. Inside of the wok has a brushed metal finish. Instead of a polished finish, this will keep the wok look nice without showing any scratch marks. The wok has 2 small handles on each side. They are black in color. However, they are not made up of plastic. They actually make out of some metals. They are not the same stainless steel material that make the wok. The wok also comes with a nice pouring lid. This facilitates to pouring any liquid that you want from the wok. When I turn the wok around, the peripheral of the wok is of polished stainless steel finished, whereas in the center of the wok is brush finish with the logo of KitchenAid. All in all, I'm very impressed with this wok. It's truly a beautiful piece of work, and I could not wait to cook in it. So the first thing I did is that I washed the wok thoroughly with detergent to remove any chemical residues that might have associated with the wok during the manufacturing process. I don't think I need to spend too much time washing it because the wok looks absolutely great. But this is just a safety precaution I want to take. Before I cook with the wok, I would like to check out the weight of the wok, because it feels heavy to me and it is much heavier than my Cucina 14-inch stainless steel wok. When I put it on my kitchen scale, it weighs 4 pounds 14.8 ounces. As I can tell, it is significantly heavier than my KitchenAid 14-inch stainless steel wok, which weighs just a touch over 3 pounds. This makes the KitchenAid wok almost 2 pounds heavier than the Cucina wok. And this makes a lot of sense because the KitchenAid wok is a 5-ply construction. The first thing I'm going to do is to see how well I can season the wok. I expect that it will do as well as any other stainless steel wok that I have tried in the past. After I heat up the wok, I add about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. I'm going to spot season the wok as I would do with my other stainless steel wok. I'm going to heat up the oil until it starts to smoke gently. And then I'm going to let the oil to smoke for about 15 to 20 seconds. This is my spot seasoning method, and when I use this method, I can season any cooked surface of stainless steel, cast iron, or carbon steel from de novo. And the reason I call this the spot seasoning method because I can season the cooking utensil right on the spot. And when I add the first egg to the wok, I noticed that the peripheral of the egg do not stick to the wok at all, but the center of the egg, which is the part where the yolk is, actually stuck to the bottom of the wok. However, it was not bad at all because by working with my wok spatula with a little bit effort, I was able to detach the egg from the surface of the wok. I think what this suggests is that my spot seasoning method was not long enough. I should have to let the oil to smoke a little bit longer than 15 to 20 seconds. Now, frying the first egg is actually seasoning the wok at the same time because the temperature frying the egg is high and you can see the oil smoke gently while I was frying the egg. And this is true because when I put the second egg in it, it has no problem sticking at all. And the third egg actually did even better. So this is a good example that frying actually builds seasoning on the surface of the stainless steel wok. After I fry each egg, the oil in the wok gradually being consumed by the egg. So when I fry the last egg, there is hardly any oil on the surface of the wok. So this is a demonstration that the wok actually retained its seasoning because this last egg did not stick to the surface of the wok at all. So as expected, this KitchenAid stainless steel wok seasoned very well as any other stainless steel wok that I have tried and used in the past. So the next test, I would like to determine how does it feel to stir fry in this wok. I want to check out the stability of this wok, in this case on my flat glass top electric range. In the bottom surface of this wok has a flat surface which measures about 3 inches across. This allows the wok to sit firmly on the surface of the flat glass top electric range. The wok does not wobble after it has been heated up. This testify to the firm structure of the wok. This is very important for anybody cooked on a flat surface such as glass top electric range or an induction cooktop. To cook this fried rice, I start out with 3 eggs in the wok. As it is shown here, the egg did not stick to the wok at all, and I was able to scramble them really easily. And then I add 3 cups of cooked long grain rice to the wok. The wok is very spacious and has no problem in accommodate this amount of rice. I then broke up the rice with my hamburger meat chopper. Despite the amount of effort and weight that I put into to break up the rice, the wok stayed firm and sturdy. After I broke up the rice, I switched to the wok spatula, and then I add some frozen vegetable, and now I start to stir fry all the contents in the wok. Again, the bowl shape of the wok is very conducive for stir frying, and it worked very well with my stainless steel wok spatula. However, I noticed one problem with this wok is that when I stir fry the contents, because of the amount of contents that I have in the wok tends to shift in position on the surface of the glass top electric range. And I found out that it is necessary, in order for me to steady the wok, I need to hang on to the handle of the wok. But it turned out that the handle is not completely heat resistant, and it gets hot. And it gets hot enough that you need to use a hot pad to hang on to it. Another drawback with this handle, because when you try to hang on to it, your hand gets very close to the stove, and it gets uncomfortably hot. Other than that, the fried rice turned out really well, and I enjoy stir frying in this wok. So let me provide you with the pros of this wok. I love its appearance. It is a beautiful piece of work. I like the brush finish of the wok because it does not show any scratch mark from using the stainless steel wok spatula. I like the size of the wok. It is large enough to cook almost anything you normally would cook in a home kitchen. It is readily seasoned as in any other stainless steel wok. You will not have any problem in creating a non-stick cook surface using the spot seasoning method. And the wok is very well built, and with its all-metal construction, you can use the wok in the oven. So now let me give you my cons for this wok. This wok is too heavy for my personal liking, because it is nearly 2 pounds heavier than the wok that I currently using, which is the Cuisinart 14-inch stainless steel wok. It lacks the long handle that would allow me to move the wok with one hand. The handles of this wok are not completely heat insulated, and they can get hot and become too hot to touch. The bottom flat surface of the wok is a little bit too small, and when you have a lot of food ingredients in the wok, when you try to stir fry them, the wok shifts in position, particularly when it sits on a flat surface such as a flat top electric range. This wok does not come with a cover, and it probably make no difference to most people, but it will reduce the cooking functions of this wok. At $129, this wok is an excellent price for a 5-ply wok. But it is expensive for a regular wok, including for stainless steel woks. Personally, I don't think it is necessary to get a 5-ply wok. In my opinion, a stainless steel wok only needs to be multi-clap at the bottom of the wok because this is where all the actions takes place. And the side of the wok does not need to be multi-clapped, which added to the weight of the wok. Personally, I like my wok to be light, and because of this reason, the Cuisinart 14-inch stainless steel wok worked the best for me. But you might feel differently, and I hope this video provides you with my opinions so you can make your decisions. Without any question, the wok is an integral part of my fast cooking system. The word fast stands for flavor chasing, advanced prepping, stir-frying, and template-based cooking. And the goal is to make home cooking practical, efficient, creative, fun, and sustainable so that it can become an everyday routine. Because home cooking is the best way for eating healthy as well as enjoy the food that you eat. So keep on cooking. I will see you tomorrow.